going to talk about the positive control system of lac operon. The positive control system of lac operon will be expressed at high levels only if lactose is the sole carbon source and not glucose is present as well as in the medium. At this case, the lac operon will be highly expressed and the lactose and the formation of enzyme beta galactosidase permease and trans-acetylase will be high. This is known as positive control. This will only happen when only lactose will be present in the medium and no carbon source, other carbon source will be not present like glucose. So what happened in the positive control? We will draw a structure of lac operon. Operator, repressor protein, lac Z gene, lac Y gene, lac A gene. So what happened in the positive control? There is a protein called catabolite catabolide activator. This is the protein catabolide activator which binds with the CCAM, cyclase adenylate monophosphate. CCAM binds with the and form form this unit. This unit will bind to the operator region. In the operator region there is a binding site for cap, that is catabolide activator protein. This will bind with the cap and this binding will initiate the attachment of mRNA with the promoter region and transcription will form, and this transcription will be at high level. But this is the whole process of the positive control of lac operon. But if in this culture medium glucose is also present with lactose, this positive control of lac operon will not happen. Let's see why. Why this positive control is happen? Because the addition of this catabolide activator protein with CAMP, cyclic adenylate monophosphate, and this complex binds with the promoter region and mRNA easily binds with the promoter region and further the transcription process happens. But when the glucose is present at the glucose present, positive, glucose is positive in the medium, then this CAMP will not form. Let's see how. This CAMP, how CAMP formed? CAMP formed from ATP in the presence of the enzyme called adenylate cyclase, cyclase. ATP will be converted to, at the presence of adenylate cyclase, this enzyme. Now the glucose will affect in the production of this enzyme, that is adenylate cyclase. Now let's see how adenylate cyclase is formed. Adenylate cyclase is formed by the activation of enzyme called 3-glyc, 3-GLC. This GLC, when phosphorylated, then the adenylate cyclase is formed. But when the glucose is present in the system, this glucose will dephosphorylated this 3-glyc. Dephosphorylated. Glucose. When the glucose is transporting from the cell membrane, this glucose will dephosphorylate the 3-glyc. And as a result, adenylate cyclase will not form, and from ATP the CAMP will be not formed, and for this the amount of this complex will be reduced, and that can't bind with the promoter sequence, and the activation of mRNA will be less, so the resultant protein, that is beta galactosidase permease transacetylase, will be less. So this is when glucose is not present, then this process is positive control, and this is how the glucose affect the positive control of lac operon. That's it.